This video is about the typical little questions that you ask yourself before you start a business. And I know it can be very overwhelming when you want to start your own business, or even just the thought about it, with all these wonderful ideas that you have, and you're kind of all over the place, and you need to sort of narrow it down to decide what it is you're going to be doing. You just don't know how. Now, starting your own business takes a lot more than just putting a few garments together. Either go work for a company as a young designer and build up experience, and then go into your own business. It's about starting your own business. You might not want to go into the industry and go and work for a boss. You want to do your own thing. So how do you go about that? Now, it isn't as easy as just saying, okay, I've now woken up this morning and I've decided to start my own business. It's going to take some planning on 6 different things to help you get a little bit more clarity of how you can get your business started by asking the right questions. First of all, you need to know what kind of garments you're going to be making. That's the first step. Who's going to be your market? Are you going to do for men's, ladies, or children? Or are you going to do for, plus size body shapes, or petite women or tall women? You need to know what it is you are going to be targeting on. And once you know what that is, then the next step would be you need to show kind of content that you absolutely enjoy watching and listening to about how you can enhance your skills and knowledge to start your own business, or all the ins and outs and tips and guidance that you need to get your business started, especially if you are a fashion designer or a seamstress, or you just want to tap into the fashion business and turn it into a business. If you could help me grow my algorithms by pressing the like button and share, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop of my weekly videos. Don't forget to leave any comments down below. I would love to come back to you to enhance your skills and to grow your own business or anything around fashion and designing. You need to show people what you've got. So you need to showcase a small collection, because people need to see what you're all about. They need to see, do they like your style? Is it something that they want to follow you as a designer? That they know that you have the style that talks to me, that I love what you are designing. So that will be about your market, because your people will start following you that like what you are designing and what you are putting out there. As you look on Instagram and Pinterest, you start following a certain kind of look or a certain kind of company or a brand because you like their look and design, and it just absolutely resonates with you. The exactly same with you knowing who your market is. The other thing you need to look at is your pricing. Are you going to be extremely designer prices? Are you going to be coming in somewhere in the middle? Or are you going to make for the masses? So those are a few things you need to ask yourself. Now, starting your own business takes a lot more than just putting a few garments together. You need to look at your marketing. How are you going to market your business? Now, when you are working in the business and you've got to do your marketing as well, can be very, very time consuming, and you might just find that you might burn out, because now you're making the garments, you are basically cutting, sewing, producing, as well as doing all your own marketing as well. So the first thing you would do is perhaps just look at, creating a little sample with a small collection, and look at all the very simplistic ways of marketing your business. First, know who your market is. Once you know who your market is, perhaps just look at, doing some very little bit of social media advertising through Facebook groups within your area as a start. The other thing is you need to do your branding. So what is your branding? Have you thought of a business name? Have you thought about your colors, your look, your style? This will once again all go around to your specific market, because if you are going for more of a designer look, you are a fashion designer, and you are basically marketing towards the more let's say affluent people that love to dress and are prepared to pay that extra, because you are giving them something that is unique, something that is absolutely designer, that is not something you're going to find in all the commercial retail stores. Perhaps you're even making it a custom fit. You're adding that extra service. Or just your materials are absolute high quality and the finishing off and all the little extra things that you are doing, like what I've got on now. I put this trim around the trousers, these elastic these are different. It's about giving something totally unique, and those are the kind of clientele that you are looking for. My name is Tania Sutherland, and thank you so much for watching my video. It's all about enhancing your skills for your sewing and also turn your sewing and designing into a business.